Hello everyone. So today we are here for our presentation. Our business project is regarding CRM. Our company name is SalesSphere. We are here of team of six. Myself, Vakar, Basil, Rohit, Navneet, Sumit, and some other team members. So yeah, what is CRM? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. And so here's the definition of CRM.
Hello, I'm Naushadul Islam Nishat, and I'm going to explain what is CRM. CRM, as you know, is customer relationship management, which is a technology for managing all your company's relationships and interactions with customers and potential customers. The goal is simple: improve business relationships. A CRM system helps companies stay connected to customers, streamline processes, and improve profitability. When people talk about CRM, they are usually referring to a CRM system, a tool that helps with contact management, sales management, productivity, and more. So, how CRM helps? A CRM solution helps you focus on your organization's relationships with individual people, including customers, service users, colleagues, or suppliers throughout your life cycle with them, including finding new customers, winning their business, and providing support and additional services throughout the relationship.
Hi, my name is Navneet Sharma. I will tell who is a CRM stands for. The CRM system gives everyone from sales, customer service, business development, recruiting, marketing, or any other line of business, which is a better way to manage the external interactions and relationships that drive success. It is a tool which lets you store customer and prospect information, identity, sales opportunities, and record service issues. And moreover, it manages marketing campaigns which all comes in one central location, which makes information about every customer interaction available to anyone at your company who might need it.
So yeah, as we can see, this is can you go like the image? Yeah. So I mean, see, this is like a presentation where we have a proper organization of our data of a business. So we have leads, contact, and customer coming towards our CRM system, and then at the end we see we have sales engagement as like the output. So this is like an overall view. Let's go to next slide where you can see that there's a main head authority who's admin, and admin gets all the leads, and then all those leads are then transferred to the lower level that are their employees. So these are the basic hierarchy. And next is the business overview of our objects. So if we go, yeah, next. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Sumit, and I will be just iterating the overview. So, lead. A lead is a sales prospect. A lead can be a company or an individual who has expressed interest in a company's product or service. In a CRM system, a lead is usually the starting point of a person's record. They have indicated some interest in companies or its product, but you have no history of interactions with them. So talking about the scope, which is basically customer relationship management, is all the activities, strategies, technologies, company and management. Interaction with the current potential customers. CRM helps business build relationships with their customers that in turn create loyalty and customer satisfaction. Since customer loyalty and satisfaction are both qualities that affect the company's revenue, CRM is management strategy that helps in increasing the profits of a business. So the next thing will be described by my friend Rohit.
Yeah, so some of the major ways that the CRM that use is, are the goals are listed below, and the first one is the learning. CRM usually like helps businesses a lot about their customers, thing like knowing their customers what they want and including who they are and why they are purchasing their products. Also, the CRM also helps in order to notice the trends ongoing in the market, which will like also in customers purchasing histories. This will allow like businesses to better anticipate their customers needs and as a result fulfill them. So and another is the organization. which is basically CRM allows businesses to become more efficiently by organizing and automating certain aspects of the business, from like sales processes to lead gathering and sending emails, as well as like customer data. CRM does all this work and automates and streamlines these processes for businesses. And at last, this is the optimization, which is basically like the software allows businesses to optimize their customer interactions by like simplifying and streamlining many of the more complex customer interaction processes.
Hi, this is Basil. So I'm going to explain the features of this app. So there will be admin authentication and authorization, employee authentication and authorization. So lead cred operations like create, read, update, and delete, opportunity cred, customer cred, and there will be a section for customer feedback, emails, and export. We'll have finally a feature to export to Excel and PDF, and obviously there will be a password option too. So my friend's gonna explain about the languages and tools that we have used for our project actually. So yeah.
Hey, Wakayo. So we have this tech stack wherein we have this languages on front end. We have HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and jQuery, some JavaScript, as well as we for the front end we have the dashboard. We have used the Google Charts, and for the tables we have data tables, and on the back end we have Python, Django, REST framework, and by default it's SQLite. IDE, which is our tooling, and source control we have used Git and GitHub. So this is our basic tech stack. Can you go to next slide, Sebastian? Um, yeah, so this is a basically a diagram. Basically, we know what ER diagram is. It's a structured diagram for basically representing our business object. We have entities, entity attributes, comic keys, so 1 to 1. So yeah, let's go to the ER diagram quickly. So basically we have like two basic modules. One is accounts module, one another is customer feedback. So in the main is our account module. We have like if you see the main part, we have three different business object: leads, opportunities, and customers. We can see this have like direct relationship with each other. And then there are, so the main object is the lead object, and then inside the lead, apart from the opportunity customer, we have calls, companies, contacts, and the employees linked towards the lead. So basically this is the streamline process, the pipeline process, where the first the lead is generated, then lead becomes opportunity, and then opportunity becomes a customer. That's the final person when the deal is closed, and then customer is the final customer and the relationship is maintained. Apart from this, we also have the order, product, and the tag. This also have some relationship with each other and also have relationship with the customers. So yeah, I think this is the whole idea about the diagram. So next, if I go forward, we have some for future enhancements where we can do. We are planning to have some future customer. We have some customer authentication. We're trying to bring some dynamic user role permission. We are trying to have some reports and responsiveness website and better user interface basically. So yeah, this is some of the screenshot. And so yeah, thank you. That's all about. Yep. Thank you.